Hello again. Today, we're going to go over how to use the Edge1 in the field so you can make decisions minutes after your flight with up-to-date, accurate data. Make sure the Edge1 has an open view of the sky and is away from buildings and trees. If you are using an RTK network to position the Edge1, mount the Edge1 on a tripod near your takeoff location. If using manual positioning, you must set up your Edge1 on the known point you are using. This known point should be a GCP or checkpoint and should have been surveyed beforehand. If you're using an RTK network, navigate to the base station menu in the Edge1 app and select the RTK network from the list. If using manual positioning, enter in the WGS84 coordinates and the height of the tripod, plus the base of the Edge1 to the height of the phase center, which is 17.3 centimeters. After setting up its location, you're ready to start logging. On the base station screen, flip the logging switch. It is important that you begin logging on the Edge1 before turning the Explore 1 drone on. The Edge1 should not be moved after logging has started. After the Explore 1 lands, you can use the Edge1 iOS app to turn off logging. To import your flight data, take the SD card from the Explore 1 and insert it into the back of the Edge1. Find your mission and tap Import. After it completes, click the Process button, and a pop-up will appear with a list of settings for you to fill out. Processing quality determines your accuracy settings. Point cloud density determines how sharp and detailed your point cloud is. You can pick between TXT and LAS formats. In addition to a point cloud, you can optionally process a 3D mesh, an orthophoto, or a point cloud with objects removed. Once the processing is complete, you can preview the map and point cloud on your iPad. The preview will be low res and serves as a sanity check to make sure your capture is successful. You can also use the previews to get immediate intelligence about your site and make decisions while still in the field. After processing your flight data, you can export the files by clicking the Export button. On whichever storage device you used, there will be a mission folder with the date of the mission followed by the mission name you gave it. Inside that folder, you can find another folder called Results, which will have the outputs you selected. That's it for using the Edge1 in the field. Thank you for watching.